Hello, hello guys. Today we are going to see about Kafka. So first of all, what is Kafka? Kafka is a messaging service which transfers messages from a producer to a consumer about a specific topic. So whichever consumer subscribes to a particular topic, they get the messages from the producer about that topic. So here we are going to see. So first one is single broker. Kafka. So for that, mm, you have to first go into the your Kafka installation folder inside bin. So you have so many files. So Kafka topic, Zookeeper, and Kafka server. So you have to be in this folder. Open in terminal, and then this is a document. I have documented all the steps required for the operation. So I'm just gonna copy. I'm gonna keep the link in the description below. So this is the command to start Zookeeper. So first of all, we need to start Zookeeper before starting the Kafka server. So hit enter, and it started the Zookeeper. So new window. So in new window we have to keep Zookeeper running, and now we will run this Kafka server. So first run. Okay, so our Kafka server is running. So this is a single broker. This is our broker in Kafka. So next step, we have to create a topic. So again, new tab, new window. Here we have to create a topic, and for topics, you have this command: copy, paste, bin Kafka topics.sh. Create bootstrap server localhost 9092. So this is a default type port number in your Kafka server's properties, and you have to specify replication factor and partitions and topic name. So replication factor, as we are on a single node cluster, so we are going to keep it one. You can specify the partition. We can say 3 partitions, and topic as a any topic name. I'm going to keep it as a test topic. So we hit enter, and you can see created topic, test topic. So we have created the topic. You can list the topics. This is the command to list the topics. Paste, enter. This is a topic you have. So you can add a topic. You can say test topic 2. Hit enter. Created test topic. Now you can list. You can see test topic and test topic 2 like this. And then you have to start a producer which will basically send the message. So this is a command to start producer. In bin folder there is a sh file producer which will be created on this broker localhost 9092, and on the topic test topic. So we are going to send the messages on the test topic. So we hit enter, and you can see here we can type anything. So if we say hello test topic, enter, and hello world, anything. And now we have to start a consumer, like which consumes these messages. So for that consumer, we can see here start receiver or consumer. So this command, and when you paste it and run it on the specific topic, you will get the messages which were sent by the producer on that topic. So here if you send another message hello again, you can see that message popping up here in the consumer because they are in the same topic. So if you cancel this, and if you start the producer of on topic 2 and hit enter, then hello topic 2, if you type anything you won't get any message here. But if you stop this consumer and run the consumer on topic 2, you can see those messages here. So hello again, you can see that message popping up here. So this is just basically single broker, single node cluster, single node Kafka server running. mm, and you can also have this producer and consumer inside your Python program. I'm just going to show you. So we are just gonna cancel this and going to, I have a file, so Kafka, so these two files, we are going to open it with Visual Studio Code. So here, as you can see, I have pasted this code here. I'm going to give this code in the I'll give this code in this here, so you can see, so you will get the better idea and you will get the code. So this is a producer, so you have to install a library called Kafka Python, Kafka hyphen Python, Kafka hyphen Python. This is a library. So when you install it, then you have to import a Kafka producer from it and use this command, and your bootstrap server, its address and port number. And this is just gonna, I've just made this one to produce a message, to send this message to our consumer. So we will just run this consumer here, and we will send a message by via this producer. So when you hit run and debug, so it will send the message, and you can see here I have kept a sleep of 2, so it will send 10 messages every 2 seconds. Hello Python here again. Yeah, this is a message you will see on consumer, because our this Python file is sending the messages to via our Kafka. So program is done. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 messages we have got here. So, and one more thing, we can also do the same with the consumer. So here you have to specify your topic for the producer, and any string you have to pass as a message. And for a consumer, via this one Kafka consumer, you have to specify your topic here and your bootstrap server. So now we are going to change the command, and we are going to do one thing. We are going to start a producer in console. So start a producer in console like this, paste and run. So we have started a producer, and we are going to start a consumer in Python file. So here you can see no message popping up, but as soon I type here hello Kafka here, you can see the string coming out, hello Kafka here. Oh, really? Yes, really. Thank you. You can see via Python file we can do a producer as well as consumer. So we'll just stop this. Also stop this. I have documented all the steps here. You can get them from this document here. I have pasted the link in the description below. And then another thing is multi-broker setup. So here we have this, I'll show you. So this one is Zookeeper, and this one is our Kafka server running. So if you hit a JPS, this will show you the all the Java processes running. So first of all, this one is quorum peer main. This one is for Zookeeper, JPS is Java's, and Kafka. You can see only one Kafka here because we have only one Kafka server running. But if we want to run a 2 or 3 Kafka servers at a time, so what we can do, I'll just show you. So first of all, you have to go to your Kafka where you have installed your Kafka. So mine is here, and inside config folder And this is your server dot properties. Here you have broker ID as 0. You have to change it to 1, and your this listener's port number you have to change this, and the log file here you have to change this a little bit. Let me show you. I have did it. Yeah, so this is our default file, and as I have changed this one, I'll show you. You have to change this broker ID to 1, and in next one you have to set it to 2. Broker ID 2. In first file it was default to 0 1 2. Then next step, your port number here default was 9092. In the server 1 I have kept it 9093, and here 9094, and same with the log files. So here log basic, you can see default it was just Kafka logs. In server 1 we have made it Kafka logs 1, and here Kafka logs 2. Only these three changes you have to do. I have also mentioned them in here. So changes in server 1 dot properties and server 2 dot properties, these things you have to do in them, and just and then you have to run those two servers also. So you have to run the same command but using the different config file. Yeah, so as you can see, start zookeeper, this command we have used to start our uh, default Kafka server, and change in these two commands is just our config file. So we'll just copy it, paste it here. So yeah, this started our second Kafka server, and using this just server 2 dot properties, this ran our third Kafka server. So if you check here JPS, you can see there are three Kafka services running, one JPS and one quorum peer main. It is a zookeeper and three Kafka servers running, Kafka brokers running. So it is known as Kafka broker cluster, Kafka cluster running in our single node cluster. Okay, so for this purpose, I have pasted the commands here. So create a topic. Topic creation is just same. So let me show you. So we will first of all we will check the existing topics. Okay, so we have got this consumer offset. This is actually default one got created uh, when you do multi-block broker cluster, and these two we have created earlier. So we will do the same. We will create a producer and consumer here. So start producer, this command, let me show you the command paste. And okay, so as you can see what we have done, we have used a broker list and then localhost 92 93 94. This is how you generate a producer in a Kafka cluster, and your test topic, which is your topic of Kafka. Then again, in the new window we will create a receiver. So as you can see, for a receiver end you don't need to specify any particular like you don't need to specify a list of servers. You can just put localhost 9092 or 9093. You have to be sure on the topic. This is the main, and when you hit enter, so these all the messages I have sent earlier, and I'll show you by sending one more message. So here, hello again. You can see messages popping up there. Hey, how are you? So this is a multi-broker cluster. And thank you guys for watching. So you can comment things you want to you have encountered any error. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna keep this document in the description so you can have a reference. And thank you for watching. Hit like, subscribe. Thank you.